guide on how to sow and grow plants from seeds. Growing vegetable from seeds is a very inexpensive method. Different types of seeds have different requirements, so it will be impossible to cover every specific here, but the basics are generally the same. Moving further, let's have a basic understanding of concept sowing of seeds. Sowing is the process of planting seeds. There are different sowing methods determined by the crop to be sown. Several methods of sowing, which differ in merits, demerits, and adoption, are broadcasting, broad or line sowing, dibbling, transplanting, planting, putting seeds behind the plow. Let us study about the first method used for sowing of seeds, which is broadcasting. It is the scattering of seeds by hand all over the prepared field, followed by the covering with wooden plank or harrow for contact of seed with soil. Crops like methi, coriander, etc. are sown by this method. Let's have a look at advantages of sowing seeds through this method. It is a quick and easy method. Skilled labor and implement is not required and can be followed in moist condition. This method has few disadvantages as well. In order to implement this method, we need more seed requirement. We cannot achieve a uniform crop stand. It results in gappy and defective germination wherever the adequate moisture is not present in the soil. In this method, spacing is not maintained within the rows and lines, hence interculture. Next is drilling or line sowing. It is the dropping of seeds into the soil with the help of implements such as mogha, seed drill, seed cum driller or mechanical seed drill, and then the seeds are covered by wooden plank or harrow to have contact between seed and soil. Now let's have a look at advantages of this method. Through this method, seeds can be placed at proper and uniform depths. Along the rows, interculturing can be done. Uniform row to row spacing is maintained. Seed requirement is less than broadcasting. Sowing is done at proper moisture level. Now, it has few disadvantages as well, which are: implement is required for sowing seeds through this method. Vasper condition must be maintained. Plant to plant or intra-row spacing is not maintained. Skilled person is required for sowing. Next, one of the effective method of sowing seed is dibbling. It is the placing or dibbling of seeds at cross marks made in